Hello, my beautiful degenerates. I'm back. Well, at least for now, because, well, I've been busy, really busy. I think my hair is thinning. Since I had the gastric bypass, I've been losing a lot of hair. Not good, not good. Anyway, just making a video for a quick update. But even though I took more than a month off, the crazy world didn't. For example, Blizzard now wants to censor you, as in they want to ban your account or block you from it, from your actual Blizzard Activision account, because you said some mean things on Twitch. I'm gonna try that later. And after that, I don't know what's wrong with people. Even for a banned or forbidden memes or emojis like Pepe. I think I'm gonna get my ban by using Pepe images. You have to link your Blizzard account to your Twitch account, so Blizzard can then ban you if you want to watch anything on their Twitch channel. Really? Comics are getting worse and worse. Even a Harley Quinn's latest comic, I forgot which number and I just don't care anymore. It's just unreal. It's full of, I don't know, it's on the face politics that's not fun. I mean, it'd be good if it was politics, but it had some sort of fun in it or something hilarious. But it's just not there. They're trying to be edgy and attack the center, Trump and everything, but it's just not there. It's just not that funny. And the best of all, this book has replaced comics for me. Well, and Disney comics too, but this one, really, this is the 4th book from the Horus Heresy series, and it's fucking awesome. I haven't been glued to a story or a book like this since ever. I've read this almost non-stop, and although the 4th book it's written a bit compared to the other books, but it's awesome. For example, Galaxy in Flames and Horus Rising, and False Gods, that it was reading about the people, they were better written. I don't know, I think the person tries to explain something and it ends up getting confused here. James Swallow. But either way, it's awesome and I fully recommend it. I'm ordering the next series. According to my research, it's about 20 books till this series holds, so that means there's at least 16 books to go. So pretty good for me. And I finally fixed my DCS problem because I couldn't join the multiplayer. So see you next month or next week. I don't know when I'll have the time to do this again, but at least the channel is not completely dead. And this is ASMR. I promise I'm not sucking. So, see you later, guys. See you later, degenerates, and a Happy New Year. Well, and a belated Happy Christmas. Well, no, Merry Christmas. I forgot about that one. It's Merry Christmas. So, see you later.